Are you still opening Task Manager, selecting the frozen app, right-clicking, and choosing End Task every time something stops responding? Well, there's a faster way. In this video, I'll show you how to add the End Task option directly to your right-click context menu on the taskbar, so you can close any unresponsive app instantly, without even opening Task Manager. Right-click the Start menu and select Settings. Go to System. Scroll all the way down until you see Advanced Settings. Inside this menu, look for the End Task toggle. Turn it on. That's it. Now, when an app freezes, simply right-click its icon on the taskbar, and you'll see a brand new End Task option. Click it, and Windows will close the unresponsive app immediately. No need to open Task Manager. If this tip helped you speed up your workflow, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Windows tricks. Thank you for watching.